Hello everyone. If you're getting the DNS server not responding error on Windows 11 and websites won't load, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you several proven solutions that can help restore your internet connection and get your browser working again. This problem is usually caused by incorrect DNS settings, corrupted network cache files, router issues, outdated network drivers, or Windows network configuration errors. Follow each method step by step until the issue is resolved. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows 11 troubleshooting guides. Fix 1. Restart your router and PC. We'll start with the simplest solution. Turn off your router or modem. Shut down your computer. Wait about 30 seconds. Turn the router back on and allow it to fully reconnect. Start your PC. Once Windows loads, check if websites are opening normally. If the issue remains, continue to the next fix. Fix 2. Flush and renew DNS configuration. This method clears corrupted DNS cache files and refreshes your network connection. Open the Start menu. Search for Command Prompt. Select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Now enter the following commands one at a time, pressing Enter after each command. ipconfig/flushdns. ipconfig/release. ipconfig/renew. After the commands complete, type exit. Close Command Prompt and restart your computer. Fix 3. Change DNS server manually. Using Google's public DNS servers can often solve DNS-related issues. Search for Control Panel, open Network and Internet. Select Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings from the left panel. Right-click your active network connection. Select Properties. No. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter. Preferred DNS server, 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS server, 8.8.4.4. Click OK and close all windows. Try opening a website again. Fix 4. Reset network settings. If DNS settings are corrupted, a full network reset can help. Open Settings. Click Network and Internet. Select Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset. Select Reset Now. Click Yes to confirm. Windows will restart your network adapters and ask you to reboot your PC. Restart the computer and test your connection. Fix 5. Update the network adapter driver. Outdated or corrupted drivers can cause DNS and connectivity problems. Search for Device Manager. Open it. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your network adapter. Select Update Driver. Choose. Search automatically for drivers. If Windows finds a newer driver, install it and restart your PC. If the problem started after a recent driver update, you can also open the adapter properties and use the rollback driver option if available. Fix 6. Disable VPN or proxy services. VPNs and proxy servers can sometimes interfere with DNS resolution. If you're using a VPN application, a proxy server, third-party security software with network filtering, temporarily disable them and test your internet connection again. If websites start loading normally, the VPN or proxy configuration may be causing the issue. Fix 7. Reset WinSIG and TCP/IP. This is one of the most effective fixes for persistent DNS problems. Search for Command Prompt. Right-click it. Select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Enter the following commands one at a time. Netch WinSIG Reset. Netch and IP Reset. Once both commands finish, restart your computer. These commands rebuild important Windows networking components and often resolve DNS-related errors immediately. Final check. After completing all the fixes, open your web browser. Visit a few different websites. Verify that pages load correctly without DNS errors. If your internet works normally on your phone or other devices, but not on your Windows 11 PC, the issue is most likely related to Windows network settings, DNS configuration, or network drivers, and the methods shown in this guide should resolve it. That's it. Those are the best ways to fix the DNS server not responding error on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.